bling, blow. What it do? It's your boy two-time Moto TV, man. We back with another epic video, guys. Today we got a special one, man. We got our long tube stainless work headers in for our trick flow setup. It is well needed, well versatile. That's what I'm gonna need to actually get that 400 and some plus horsepower out of this Crown Vic, because right now, man, she's kind of restricted with exhaust flow and airflow and all of that other kind of, you know, trigonometry and etc, etc. But yeah, man, we got the bed out here. She's rather dirty. She'll be taking it out there to the performance shop today, man, so I can get this stuff installed. It's about $300, $400 that it's gonna take to get the headers, green cats, 78mm throttle body, and the Summit Racing underdrive pulleys installed. So as you guys know from my last video, we installed the alternator already ourselves. We can definitely do the rest of the stuff ourselves, man, but right now I'm currently in a bind with time, work, trying to move, trying to do a lot of other stuff. So I really don't have the time nor the space to actually sit out here all day today and get this stuff done. But yeah, man, here's the box. That's the box right there, big old box, man. Stainless works. Where's that sticker at? Here we go. CRVIC03HCAT is what you need to type in Summit Racing or ADTR, or you can type that in Google. Look at this B, man. He is mad close to me. Let me zoom in on him a little bit. Look at the little guy. But yeah, man. So it's for a 2003 to 2011 4.6 2-valve Crown Victoria Grand Marquis. And also Mercury Marauder is what he told me. So you guys can read that description there. I shouldn't have to, you know, go through all that. But I got some exhaust wrap. Also, guys, to put up on the long tube headers to keep some of that heat away from the engine bay. The cooler I can keep the engine bay, the cooler I can keep my cold air intake. And the cooler the airflow, the more horsepower I would get at all times. I may need to get another pack of these though, because these look like some shorties, or maybe like the mid-range long tube, mid-range headers right there. So they got shorties, and then they got the stock, and then they got the mid-range, and then they got the long tube, whatever. So anyway, yeah, man, toss that to the side right there. I got my handy dandy knife ready to go ahead and crack this box open. Got the Fox over here waiting to see the goodies also. She ain't even paying attention, but anyway, yeah, guys, so these are the Summit Racing pulleys. Y'all guys remember everything that was in those boxes from my last couple videos. If not, then go check it out. You guys can see my whole setup that I'm running with right now to get that 400 and some plus horsepower. Hopefully I'm close to 5. But this is my 78mm BBK throttle body. It's for 2 valves. It's really made for a Mustang, but as you guys know, the Mustang GTs and the 98 to 2003 has the same 2 valve 4.6 that we're running in the Crown Vics. So yeah, man, without further ado, man, let me stop talking and let's go ahead and crack this box open. I should have went on ahead and open it so I ain't gotta go through this. But you know what, man, we're gonna see the goodies together, because I've yet to crack this box open. Y'all see I still got the important invoice, packaging notes, and all that good stuff on it. So yeah, let's see if I can open it up. Oh, gotta come across the side right here. Go ahead and slice this side open. Booyah. Slice that side open. Booyah. And do the other side as well. All right. And good. Oh, packaging is already nice. I can tell that. Thank you, Stainless Works and ADTR. I did order this from ADTR. Stainless Works said that for them to get some long tube headers for me, it'd be like 8 weeks out. But ADTR luckily had 3 left in stock on the shelf. So I hollered at them, man, and went on ahead and made it happen. Oh man. Oh man, got the paperwork. These are the extensions to my oxygen sensor. Look like it also comes with like key rings. I don't know what that is. It's a tube or some kind of lubricant, I guess.
maybe to seal it up. Yeah, it comes with a lot of nice paperwork. Matter of fact, guys, if I'm gonna unbox some stuff, I'm gonna let y'all know everything that's in it. So, alright, take that key ring. All in one silicone, aluminum, premium RTV silicone gasket maker. Oh, okay, so that's a gasket maker. I'm guessing if I don't have a gasket, which I do have my stock gasket, he told me that my stock gasket will work. Yeah, these are the extensions to the O2 sensor. He did say that I'm gonna have to cut the clip off of one to get it to slide in and fit. And also, I got some new hardware to go into my heads so that my headers can bolt up to it. And then that's the little silicone tube extractor there. And then there's just a bunch of other paperwork and stuff. So, if I was to get out my box. What you doing in my box? All right. Guys, these are the green cats right here. The green cats. High performance cats. Oh shoot, man, I'm gonna have to cut all of this stuff off. All right, guys, so look, I'm gonna pause the video for a second so I can go ahead and cut this packaging off. I know you guys just don't want to see it like that because that's not a real unboxing. So I'm gonna do one of each, and then you guys know that the other two is gonna look exactly the same. So I'll be right back. So we got it unpackaged, looking very nice. I like the Stainless Works logos. I like the welds. They did say that these systems are all man-made, hand-welded, not by no robot or no machine. So for a man to take his time and put all these nice bends and welds in it, man, I know he's making bank at Stainless Works. Cause this thing takes some crafting and some welding skills. So we got one port here for our O2 sensor to go into. I don't know if you guys can see where the chambers right there dumps out. Let me see if I can get the camera in there. Booyah. Then there's like a little piece right there that makes it flow. So all 4 chambers lead into one, which is very nice. Very, very, very nice indeed. And then I have my green cats here, which are performance cats, as y'all guys can see the platinum in here. Let me see if I can get y'all in some sunlight. There we go. And you guys can pretty much see right through it. That little light that's on the other end of the tunnel. And it's the same on both sides. Light at the end of the tunnel, got a little mesh in there. These are high flow cats. So no restrictive devices inside. It's just a little bit of honeycomb in there, you know. Doesn't have any kind of chambers or nothing. So guys, this right here slides right over that. You can either weld it, which mine's I'm gonna probably put a clamp on it. Make sure that she's tightened down real good and I don't have any kind of exhaust leaks. And then this right here is gonna go on to that like so. And then boom. I got 2 oxygen sensor ports. I got the O2 sensor extensions if I need them over there. But yeah, guys, this is what the whole system gonna look like right there. So I'm gonna get a piece of pipe, weld it to the back end of that, put my second, which is my downstream oxygen sensors in. Then I'm gonna run a little piece of pipe from there, and I'm gonna put my 40 series single chamber flow masters onto that. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about instead of just talking about it. All right, so it's my single chamber flow masters right there. So everything in my exhaust is probably gonna stop about right here. So my single chamber flow masters is gonna probably end about right there. And then I may just put like a little downstream piece of pipe. I don't really want any kind of dump tips because that might suffocate the system a little bit because it's gonna hit the end there and then probably want to come back, or you know, have that back pressure, which I don't need that with my system. Back pressure is a myth, so I want it flowing as freely as possible. So I may angle it down just a little bit, get them to bend me a piece of pipe right there at the end, and I'll angle it down. I don't even know if I want it to come back that far. I may just stop it up here somewhere, get the guy to put some brackets up there for me, because this exhaust is hanging as well, so I don't want my exhaust hanging like that anymore. I want it buttoned up so you can barely see it. And yeah, guys, this is what we got, man. I like the product already. Got individual tubes. I'll show you guys the difference between that and the factory. As you guys can see, the factory is just really just one tube, one fat tube. And this front one here actually pushes the air from the rest of them. As you guys can see, the air from the rest of them just basically comes straight like this. That's what's making it so restrictive with my exhaust flow, because this front tube is the only one that's angled like that to push the rest of the exhaust out the back. So what they're gonna have to do is probably take this dipstick tube right here off, and they said that they're gonna have to take my drive line right here from my rack and pinion in the front, and that should be about it. They should be able to button it up. They said that they can use my old gaskets off my old system to put up here. If not, they'll probably use that gasket maker. And then I have some new hardware that they can just bolt up to each flange there. But yeah, guys, she's in the works. The final step, the final thing would be to get a tune. And then after that, man, I'm gonna probably work on a whole nother project. I may buy a whole nother Crown Vic and make that one just, you know, a street ride. Like I'm gonna probably lower it, put like some Mustang wheels on it or like some rally wheels, and then do some engine work to that. I may want to do a Coyote swap in that one, or I may just buy a whole nother platform like a Mustang or something like that. You guys let me know in the comments below what kind of project you want to see me work on next. But this one is about done. Yes, I'm gonna still do, you know, things here and there to this. You know, this still gonna be the project for the channel as well, guys. But as well, I want to have another project because I'm about to have a little bit more space to be able to work on a lot more stuff. So you guys let me know in the comments below whether you guys want to see another Crown Vic, or y'all want to see a 4.6 or 5.0 Mustang or a Fox body or something like that. You guys let me know, man. I'm here for y'all. You know, I love cars. I can't go wrong with either one of them, Crown Vic or Mustang. So you guys let me know what y'all want to see. Or I might just get both of them. But yeah, man, two-time Moto TV out, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Let's take a look at the long tubes again, man. Y'all go ahead and order y'all a set, man. It's worth it. It's worth it. Especially if you want to throw a 93 octane on this thing, man. It's very much worth it. So yeah, go ahead and get you a set of long tube headers, and you won't be upset at the end of the day. Two-time Moto TV out, man. Until next time, man, make sure y'all hit that sub button. Make sure y'all dropping them likes on these vids so that they can get recommended and this platform can shoot straight to the top, man. Two-time Moto TV out, and until next time, peace.